Good afternoon, traders. It is Erica at Alpha E Trades. It is Tuesday, July 27th, about 12:14 p.m. Eastern Time in the States here. Quick rundown here of what we have going on in the markets. We've got mini correction coming on. ES, we are negative 44 points. NQ, negative 294. RTY, negative 40. We did complete all targets yesterday to the upside. On the 4-hour chart, 44.17, I think we hit like maybe 44.16, something like that at the all-time high. And then this morning we are bearish, hit all of our targets, which I posted on Twitter. Now let's take a look here at the weekly chart here, traders. So this was last week here again here. We are getting lower lows. So let's see how we go here. Let's draw in some extensions, or actually retracements here. So let's take from the swing low, okay, all the way up here. And essentially here, traders, we target the 61.8. We could see a pullback into 42.97 if the market can do that. And then on the lower time frames, which we'll look at, we'll probably see three-leg correction down. Okay, but this is the weekly chart, what we've got going on. We are still uber bullish. Weekly, let's take a look at the daily chart and or 1440 chart. Okay. So this was yesterday. Now here is today. Got the same fibs going on here, traders. Okay, so this is just from a daily perspective here. However, take note, we do have the 50 exponential moving average here at 43.46. So we're targeting correction back into 40. We're going to start with level by level, 43.50, 43.46 area. Okay, however, though, and then if we can keep going, then we'll go down to the 61.8 at 42.97. So this is what we've got going on from the daily perspective. And so ultimately here, traders, this is going to create another, okay, lower low. But where is our support is the question. So we're going to start with 43.46 from the daily perspective. All right, now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart. So this was our trade yesterday here. Here's our target too, 44.17. And we did meet that within a couple ticks or so. All right, and so now we are getting more than likely a 3-leg pullback here. So we had leg 1. Okay, here's leg 2. Now notice here, traders were coming to 43.66. This is the 200 exponential moving average from the 4-hour. We could see just a little bit of a retrace back into this resistance, and then we could be on our merry way back into the 43.50 area, give or take. So we'll see how that goes here, okay? Just doing my what-if scenarios here. So that is the 4-hour chart here. Now let's crank the microscope down to, we had a 60-minute trade, which I posted on Twitter. Okay, all targets were met, and we essentially here, traders, target 2, nice clean drop, 43.74 that we had. So from the lower time frames, this is what a 3-leg pullback would look like. Okay, we've got leg 1, leg 2, and we could see here maybe a rise back in, test into this resistance here, 200 exponential moving average, and then maybe let's see if we can get this 3rd leg coming in, 200 extension, 43.59. So we're reaching that 43.50 psychological ballpark area. So we'll see how we go here, traders. So this is the 60-minute chart. All targets have been met. Essentially here we could see this target 3 at 43.59 if we can get follow through. RTY hit all of our targets this morning. Okay, we had swing trades going on, so 21.88 was our target, and now we're getting more follow through, and we'll see if we can close through S2. But I don't have any clean trades here, traders, because this was the actual trade. I did post this on Twitter. So here was our buyers, here were our sellers over here, and the market did fall. And essentially here we had a nice at target 2 here, and then market went back up, and now we're falling. Okay, so RTY, all targets were met on RTY. Now NQ, I didn't have time to post this on Twitter, but we did hit our 100 extension, which is, this was a 15-minute trade, and 14.816. It is possible, traders, we could see down to 14.744. Okay, this would be a 3-leg run as well here. This one's a little bit sloppier, harder to see. So we got leg 1, leg 2, essentially here. How far are we going to go up? We don't know. And then leg 3, I'm locked. It's not going to allow me to do that. Leg 3 could essentially be the 141 extension traders at 147.44. So with that being said here, traders, a good couple days. It's just a matter of, are we buying with the trend? We are uber bullish. Overall, traders, we are targeting back into, on this monthly chart, into the 45.97. Now, we don't know when we'll get here. Okay, again, these are all-time highs, but it's the pattern that we're trading. So just because we have post pullbacks doesn't mean we are bearish. We are simply trading in real time what we see. So tomorrow, we will be back and we'll see if we're buying and or selling. All right, traders, hope you're having an amazing day and caught some of these runs that we have posted on Twitter. A lot of profits to be made. We'll be back tomorrow.